Guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here, and I do have a mail call. Now you see the green or bluish green bunny and the orange bunny. Those are my friend Frank Martin, which I know on Facebook, and he sent me a text saying, "I bought these wheels. Which would you like?" And I told him, "Surprise me." And well, he did kind of surprise me. So let me get into it and show you what he sent me as a surprise. So this is the first set of wheels. These are like NASCAR wheel tires and rims. So I can use those on any NASCAR I want to. So there's those. All right, let me get the next ones out for you guys and show you. These are 3D printed wheels. Nice looking 5-slot hole wheels. I could probably put these on a Lambo because they'd probably fit just perfect. And they're very close to a Lambo wheel. Or I could put them on any car I want with that has this size thing to hold the wheel onto. So there's one set. Here is another set right here. These are looks like 19s or 20s right here with the brakes. They all come with brakes, which is cool, and it has that universal size right here. And there's 2 sets now, 3 sets. And then I think I know the car that these gonna go on. I think my let me pull it down. I think this sedan is gonna get these. I mean, look at these wheels. They're a wire wheel with the white wall insert, so I think this is the perfect project for these. Let me move that out of the way and get back to all these wheels again. So we got those. And I got these right here that he sent me. He's like a wire wheel right here, like a Dayton almost. They'll go good on one of my other 70, my Johan Oldsmobiles. Okay, those. I think those are more like a 15-inch wheel, looks like. And still have the same backing. And he also sent me this right here, which is a very unique wheel right here. It's like a spoke wheel, almost like a Ferrari wheel. I like that design though. That's a cool design, very intricate. And those right there. So that's those. Okay, got some more, guys. Just hold on. These look like pure out Hot Wheels wheels to me. How they the big spoke and the McGregor style with the large diameter. I mean, those look like a Hot Wheels car build in the making right there. And they come with also the brakes and the wheel backings. I mean, where they set to the wheels. I bought some 3D printed wheels myself, but I'm not sure what to use them on yet. But these are cool though too. I mean, these BBS wheels, oh man, they are sweet. Those look good on a Bandit Trans Am right there. You know, black and gold with the black wheels, and I mean with gold wheels on it with some silver trim. Yeah, right there. Then we got some classic hot rod wheels right here, large scale. I mean large diameter. Very cool. And yeah, I just want to do a big thank you to um, Frank at Frank Martin on Facebook for sending me these wheels. This is a surprise mail call that came, I believe it was Sunday. And, you know, I just want to thank him for everything he sent me. And I know we share kits. We traded kits before and stuff like that. And I sent him a kit. He sent me some back. And, you know, and, yeah, I mean, these wheels, just looking at how big, nice these wheels look for 3D printed. I mean, you know, let me stop this. Let me pause the video and show you the ones I picked up. All right, guys. Well, I'm back. As you can see, the box back there magically changed through Ute's vision, and all my mechanics moved around. So these are the wheels that I bought. They are 24 scale or 25th scale, and I think they're like a 21, 25th, 25-inch wheel. So they are pretty big. Let's see. Yeah, so they are very close to what those are. Very close size. They have separate tire and brakes and all that good stuff. And what I also got right here, this is my wire wheels I bought too. Um, like a Dayton style wheel, like a wire lowrider wheel. What else I got in this box? Might as well just show you guys. Why not? Hang in there, guys. So this is some 3D parts that I bought. Let me see. This would be the disc brakes and calipers. So if I really want to go high tech, I can put those on something. And we got some small exhaust outlets in here. Let me see. What else I got in another box? Let me show you guys. I don't believe I ever showed you guys all my 3D stuff printed that I bought. Okay, guys, got box number 2 of the 3D print stuff that I bought over the years, or I don't know, within the year. So this box right here is a game console and a radio, and taillights for my custom roll pans I bought from, I believe that was Iceman Collections right there. And the looks to be a BMX bike. I had a Ross Piranha bike. This is the closest I could find with some oil cans and some tiny bottles. That was for a diorama for a garage, which I still want to do. Then I got some large screen TV screens right here. There's those and some crates, 3D printed. I know I'm going on kind of a rabbit hole here. My kind of oddball kind of purchase I want to do. This is a project I want to do eventually. The red-green hot rod Camaro does with the toilet on the carburetor. And I figure I got this to put in place of the toilet, so I can put that through the hood. I just gotta find a Camaro kit I want to do it on. And how many of you guys are how many of you guys are pet lovers? Well, I gotta show you something. Now these are 3D printed cats. I got 4 of them because at the time me and my wife we had 4 cats, and I want to paint them like my animals and put them in the garage. Okay, what else we got? Okay, we also have a NOS bottles right here from Iceman Collection. What else? I know I bought a truck capper too, and I bought other parts that they got used in my muscle truck. So, alright, so guys, this is another box of my goodies that I bought in the past. I don't know if I showed everybody this stuff, but start with the little one right here inside the box. So this is a lady riding a rocket right here. It's not quite 24 scale, but it's a unique subject. If you guys ever want to get into that kind of stuff. What else did I buy? Oh yeah, this is my Lincoln, like you seen the one I showed in the last video, which is the previous one I'm gonna put up first. 65, 61 Lincoln Continental. What else? And we have a 78 Caprice right here. Police car or taxi. And alright guys, I think I showed you all of the 3D printed stuff that I bought in the past. And I want to thank Frank Martin again for giving me those sweet cool wheels. And yeah, so guys, let me know in the comments what you think of all the 3D printed stuff that I picked up over the time. Some I used and some I haven't used yet. So, but I'm sure it will. So, all right, have a good day, guys. Bye.